Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Andita Prameswari with NPM 2241115 from Management 22DX. In this video, I want to explain business feasibility study. Next slide is stage in a business feasibility study is data collection, data processing, data analysis, decision making. If it's a feasibility, then continue. But if it's not feasible, then cancel. Recommendation, business implementation. Data and information collection. This stage is when we collect the information needed to business analysts. This information can be obtained through interview, survey, research, or other data sources. The goal is to collect as much data as possible that is relevant to the business being evaluated. Collect the necessary data and information as completely as possible, both qualitative and qualitative. Data can be obtained from reliable research, for example, institutions outdoor to issue it, such as the Central Statistics Agency atau BPS, Investment Coordinating Board BKM, Bank Indonesia, Ministry of Trade, BEI, etc. This data collection can be seen from primary data and secondary data using various methods. The next slide is perform data processing. After the required data and information has been collected, the next step is to carry out data processing. Processing needs to be carried out correctly and accurately using methods and measurements that are commonly used for business. Be more careful in processing and rechecking, especially the calculations. The goal is the data and has been processed will help in making better decisions for the business being evaluated. The next slide is analysis data. This step is to determine the eligibility criteria from all aspects. Each type of business has its own criteria to say it is feasible or not feasible to do. Feasibility criteria are must from each aspect for all aspects that have been carried out in this process. We use analytical method or tool to explore information and identify patterns to trends that are relevant to the business being evaluated. And the next slide is making decisions. After measuring and getting the results, a decision needs to be made is making a decision according to predetermined criteria, whether it is feasible or not, with a predetermined size based on the result of previous calculations. If it's not feasible, it shall be cancelled by stating the reason. Next slide is provide recommendations. The final step to provide recommendations to certain parties regarding to the study report that has been prepared. This recommendation contains suggestions and recommended action for running a business successfully. Recommendations may include marketing strategies, financial planning, product development, or other steps necessary to achieve business goals. Next slide is business implementation. The final step is implementing the business plan. If the business is demand visible and receive all positive recommendations, it will be prepare and implement the necessary steps to run the business. Thank you guys are watching my video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.